and shine, it's 0500.
Already? Oh, I was dreaming we found the dilithium. We're back aboard Voyager.
Dreaming is an accurate description.
Didn't we already scan this nebula?
4 times.
I thought the Borg were known for being thorough.
The Borg value efficiency, not redundancy.
I've got a hunch about this nebula. There's dilithium in there somewhere.
I'm getting some fluctuating energy readings.
From the nebula?
No, it's weapons fire.
Let's get out of here.
We're receiving a distress call.
Have casualties. Please help us. We're on a humanitarian mission delivering medical supplies.
Reverse course.
We can't just leave them.
Starfleet policy. Interference in alien conflicts is strictly prohibited.
You heard their captain. It's a medical ship.
Their shields are down. Life support is failing on at least 3 decks.
Open a channel to the other ship. This is Ensign Kim of the Delta Flyer. I don't know what you're fighting about, but it looks like you've won. The people on the other ship have casualties. We'd like
This
to...
isn't your concern.
I'm not taking sides. I only want to help the wounded.
Withdraw immediately.
They're charging weapons.
Neelix, set our deflector beam for a narrow pulse. 7. Let me know the second their weapons array is fully charged. I might be able to trigger an overload.
The deflector bandwidth is at 0.4 microns.
Now,